Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen, and today we are doing a Wantable unboxing. Now, I don't know what order my videos will get posted, but I did get my hair did this week, and it's a little bit more blonde. So I talked to my stylist a little bit about where to take my hair, and she's basically like, well, since you're kind of already gone blondish, it's easier to go blonde now than later if I go darker. So for right now, I'm kind of gonna tiptoe my way into the blonde, and then once I feel satisfied there, I'm probably gonna tiptoe my way back into darker hair color, unless I decide I like blonde. But I don't know, I think I like me with darker hair better, but why not try a thing? So anyways, enough about my hair. Today, Wantable. I'm excited. I basically asked for just some summery goodness stuff, I think. And I'm excited to see what they sent. I did have a few things that basically they have a stream where it's like a lot of available items, and you can basically request those items, and so they'll put a few of those items in the box plus a few that the stylist picks out. This Wantable is a regular style service like the other ones where, you know, you fill out a survey, stylist sends you some clothes, things like that. They do actually send you 7 items, so I do enjoy Wantable giving you some more items. I like Wantable because it tends to be more simples, basic stuff like that, and that's my style. So I've really enjoyed Wantable. I don't know, I only get it periodically because I do think they tend to be overpriced at times, and it's not even that it's necessarily like a premium brand, and that's why it's overpriced. It just seems overall a little bit overpriced. So I get it sparingly, but I do enjoy the service and I enjoy the pieces they send me. So, and if you want to try it for yourself and get $25 off your first box, I do have a referral link below for you guys to try it. $25 off your first box. Oh, and there's a $20 styling fee for the service. I forgot to mention that, but it does get applied to anything you purchase. All right, I think that's enough about the service. Now we have here this nice, flowy, comfy tank, super soft. This is by Gentle Fawn, and it's got basically kind of a grayish, purple and blue hues to it. So I'll give you guys a look at that. So it's pretty. I'm not like superly overexcited about something like this, but it's cute. Next up, we have this mint. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, so a mint dress, and it's got a drawstring waist. Looks like just like a cool summer dress. This actually reminds me a lot of the dress that I got in my short story. That is like the striped dress that I've worn in a few videos, and I like that. I wear that around as just a nice casual type dress, so this could be nice. We'll see. Then we have here this blue burnout short sleeve tee here, and it does have the crisscross. I actually would have liked this better without the crisscross. I wonder if you can easily cut these out because they're like tucked under this lip here. So I think if I really liked this, which I doubt I'm gonna be like super excited about it, but if I really like this, I could cut out the cross out, unless I decide I like that. But and this is by Z Supply. Next, we got this pretty little number. I love red. So this is Skies Are Blue, extra small. It's got this little scallop detail here on the neckline, and then kind of a ribbed type pattern to it, a dressy kind of blouse-ish. It's a little boxy, but that should be okay. So interested in that. And this is by Skies Are Blue. And then we got this pretty number. This is by Liverpool. This is kind of a blushish. It's almost more purpley than a blush. Lavender maybe? I don't know. I don't know what color this is. Let's see if the tag tells me what color this is. Okay, it's calling it blush, so we're going with that. So Liverpool jean jacket. So we'll see if that fits or not. Jackets with me tend to lean towards the not fitting, but we'll see. Then we have by Dear John, the American Classic jean short, and I know a lot of people that really love Dear John shorts. I don't think I actually have any These look promising, like look like they might have a good waistline to them. They don't look super high-waisted. They're probably a medium rise would be my guess by looking at it, but I'm not sure. And then these, not sewn, but they have cuffed bottoms here. So, okay, well, these look promising. I like the wash on it. And then we have some pants that I actually almost already have. These are by RD Style. These are the drawstring jogger pants. And so you got this here. And I'll show you guys. I've got it laying on the floor because I've worn it a bunch already. Just the pants that I already have, but they're almost identical to these. So, and I love them. So, well done. Well done. Okay, so really, there's nothing here I dislike. I think everything looks cute, and I'm excited to try it on. Okay, so I've got 3 of the 5 pieces on. So let's just start with the jacket. The jacket is nice. I really like the color of it. It has good stretch, and I actually feel like it's a pretty good fit. I don't feel like the sleeves are a mile too long. I might compare it to some other jean jackets that I have that are a little bit better fitting, just to make sure. Because sometimes I buy a jacket and I'm like, yes, it fits. And then I put it on later and I was like, I don't know what I was thinking. Why did I think this fit? So I feel like I need to compare it. Plus your guys' opinions would be helpful. But it's a really pretty jacket. I love this color of it. Okay, so that's the first piece. Second piece, this is a no for me. It's super soft. I like that. It's just very long. I don't understand why so many tops are just so long, because it's a lot to tuck in, or you know, if you wear it out, then it's like mostly covers your shorts. So what is this? Why is this a thing? Anyways, we'll do a little tuck there, but it's just really low cut here, and so I feel like while I can pull it up and kind of adjust it back, we all have clothes that we are always adjusting, and it sucks. So most likely this will not end up being a keeper, just because I don't want to have to constantly be like, make it more modest by pulling up. So yeah. Shorts though, I really like. Now, Wantable and the shorts. Wantable, I've been hitting them out of the park. I don't know why, but I feel like I really like the shorts they're sending me. Even though this is a different brand. What is this again? This is Dear John. I feel like it's a good fit. Now, it's not a high rise, and I'd like it even more if it was, but it feels like a good fit here and good length. So now it came double rolled, and it is not sewn, so you can roll it down. But I would want to keep it rolled, and hopefully in washing it, that would still be a possibility. Again, I feel like a lot of these type of shorts just do not hold their rolls well. So I don't know, but I'm leaning towards keeping these because I rather like them. All right, next top. These aren't exactly the best pairing. I would wear this more with either light denim or white shorts, something like that. But look how long this is again. So, but I mean, it's cute. The crisscross is cute though. You know, I could try it, and if it doesn't hold its shape, then do a little snipperoo. So it's okay. I like it. I've got some Madewell tees with a pocket that are V-neck, and I'm obsessed with them. So it's like, I doubt I'm going to want to spend my money on one that's just not a Madewell tee, because I'm loving my Madewell tees. So, all right, next top. So this top, it does seem a little bit boxy. Now, I did notice it's got kind of a wider neckline, and I almost thought I could wear it, even though this is not elastic, I could maybe wear it as a one shoulder, and then all of a sudden it's like, okay, well, I like that a little bit more. So potentially could wear as a one shoulder. So this one I think will be if the price is right. I love red, so that's a plus. It is kind of a dressier top, which is nice to have some dressier and some dress down in the summer. So I'm thinking about it. What do you guys think? Should I wear it off the shoulder like this? Or I checked the picture on the inventory sheet, and she did not wear it that way. So apparently it's meant to be worn like this, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, next So now we have the jogger pant on, and it is really, I like it. It's very comfortable, and it's a great fit, and it's a high rise with this wide waistband, so it fits really snug around your waist, which is a good feeling. And this little drawstring thing here is very cute and a great length. I mean, that's the joy of a jogger, is the length doesn't have to be super precise. So I really, really like this piece, and I'll hold up what I have that's very similar at the end. But that's gonna be the one downside, though I'm still considering these because they just feel so good. I mean, these are like pajama pants, and I think they're super cute. I like this kind of style. I've felt stylish going out in this type of style, so we'll see. All right, dress is last. Okay, here's the dress. I was reaching for pockets. It does not have pockets. It's a very soft, loose, airy type dress. Does have a drawstring waist to pull it in, which I felt like I had to pull quite a bit in, and probably could have pulled a little bit more in. So very soft, very, very comfortable. I do like it. Really missing pockets for some reason. So it's cute. I don't know that I'm over the moon for it, but it's cute, and I think I'm just less excited because I have almost the exact same dress that's just a straight version. So I doubt I want two of these, but I don't know. Price might dictate because I do like it. All right, so that brings us to prices and deciding what to keep. All right, let's go from the top here. Okay, so this, and I will say I checked the stylist note, and none of these were actually items I had put in my stream. It was just limited availability of clothing pieces, which I think has been common with these style services, is just having limited availability. And so anyway, so none of these were my requested items, but still it was a good box. Now we have the Artie style drawstring jogger in moss, and it's $68. So this was actually my favorite piece, and 100% would have kept if it wasn't for the fact that I have these already. So these are very, 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 very similar. I think this is American Eagle, but still the jogger style, the similar waistband is just almost exactly the same. And sorry that it's wrinkly. It's sitting in my dirty clothes pile because I've worn it a bunch. So would have kept it, but already have. Then by Skies Are Blue, the scallop rib band textured short sleeve top in red extra small, $50. And I liked it, but just didn't love it. It's just a little bit too boxy for my taste. The classic denim jacket in blush, this is by Liverpool. This is $89. I really liked it, and I'm gonna put this one on again because I'm just trying to remember my life. I got a Liverpool denim jacket in my trunk club. I'm not quite sure the order in which things will get posted, and I felt like this one fits a little bit better up here, and it has a little bit more stretch to it. That might be in my imagination, though it is missing a button. I don't know if I showed you guys that in the try-on, but it is missing a button, so that's cool. But I do like it, and I love the color of it. It's a maybe. We're gonna give it a maybe. Here, so you guys can see it. It does look like it fits pretty well, right? Okay, so that's a big fat maybe. This is Ava Short by Dear John, and this is $58, and I think this is a keeper for me. I feel like Wantable has been clutch when it comes to shorts, and this was a good feel to it. So I think I'm gonna keep that. Then we have the knit tie-weight dress by Molly Bracken. This is $66. This kind of style is just okay. I have a very similar one that I like, fits a bit better than this one does, and I like that other one better, and I don't really need both of these, so not keeping that. Then the Airy Slub Crossroad tee in Ombre Blue by Supply, $38. I like it, but I've got my Madewell tees. I don't feel like I really need this. You guys are hearing that from me a lot. This is the Roman Tank by Gentle Fawn, and this is $36. It's just longer than I like and more low cut. So I like what they're doing here. I like the colors. It's super soft, super soft. It feels great. So I'm thinking my keeper, so the Dear John shorts are a yes, and then the Liverpool jacket is a maybe. So I'd like to hear what you guys think about the Liverpool jacket. There's a $20 styling fee that does get credited to anything you purchase, so I'll keep that in mind. And I do have a little bit of credit as well, so thank you for those of you who use my referral link. I hope you love the service. And that referral link is below. That will get you $25 off of your first box. It gets me $25 too, which is a great deal. All right, so there we go. That is the box. What did you guys think? Love to hear your thoughts and opinions. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.